Okay, so if they ask us to plot the line using the x and y intercepts, then what we need to do is to find the x and y intercepts. Okay. So to find the y-intercept, we plug in that x is equal to 0. So in this case, negative 3, 0 plus 5y equals 15. We get 5y equals 15. Then we solve. So if we know that 5 times something equals 15, what we could do is we could divide it into 5 equal groups, right? And you would know that each of those groups has 3. And then what we would found is our x or y-intercept at 0, 3. So again, this is the other type of problem that is on the tests, right? Okay, so vice versa, to find the x-intercept, you want to plug in y equals 0. And the reason we do this is because every x-intercept, y equals 0. And so what we're doing is we're just replacing the y value with 0 to find the x-intercept. And so we get negative 3x is equal to 15. So now we can divide both sides by negative 3. And we get x is equal to negative 5. And we can plot negative 5, 0. Okay. So on the graph, now that you have found both of your intercepts, you can plot those points, and then you can go ahead and graph it. So as an example, what we would do is we would plot we would go ahead and graph negative 5, 0. We would plot 0, 3. We can go ahead and connect those points, and we have our line. And so this is what our graph would look like. So in one of these examples, they're going to ask us to plot the graph using the x and y intercepts. What you want to do is you want to solve for the y-intercept. You want to solve for the x-intercept. And then you want to go ahead and plot those points and then go ahead and graph.